Hello guys, I'm Mitsuni. Welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with a very different video. This is not a job posting video because I wanted you guys to learn something on my channel also instead of just applying. Today I will explain Git in a simplest way possible to you guys, so you will start using it and it will definitely help you and make you remember me. And more importantly, I will show you why not using Git can quietly waste your hours, sometimes even days of your life and make you frustrated. And yeah, I just want to tell my story that I once built the entire collaborative code editor project without using it, and what did I do instead, and how I copied the entire project folder, renamed it, and kept coding. Yeah, project final V2, V3, V4 kind of guy I was. So let's start. I don't want you guys to suffer like I did. What actually Git is? First, let's clear a big confusion. Git is not GitHub, okay? Git is not uploading your code. Git is not just terminal commands. Git is simply a time machine of your code, okay? You will write down your code and Git will save it. That's it. If you break something, it will take you back in your time just in one command. So, no stress. Git is nothing but a version control. You control the versions of your projects. It remembers every version of your project, and that's the Git. Then you may also ask, what is GitHub? Now, GitHub is different because GitHub is like a Google Drive but for your Git projects. Okay, Git works on your computer, but GitHub stores your code online. Why you need to use GitHub? It will just make a backup of your code, and so you can access it from anywhere. You can collaborate on that project, you can showcase your projects in portfolio, but important, you can use Git without GitHub, and you can't use GitHub without Git. Fine. So what happens without Git? If you don't use Git, you will do something like this. You just copy folder of project final, copy again project final, copy again project final real, and again copy it as a finally project. This works. And after 10 days, even you don't know which one is real. Okay, now imagine you are working on a project and you found a bug. Okay, so if you have saved that project of before cutting that bug, you can roll back to that version. My real experience was when I was building my collaborative code editor Sonyverse project. It was a very big project. It was handling a front end, back end, sockets, real time sync, database, and all. And I didn't know Git properly, so I didn't use it. Okay, so every time I completed a feature, I copied the entire folder and renamed it based on the date and start again. If something breaks now, I just delete my current folder and go back to my old folder, again copy and paste that, and I would try to code that feature again. I would dig through old folders like an archaeologist. Okay, it worked, but it was very painful, and I was like, why didn't I learn Git? Later I realized I wasn't struggling because code is hard, because I had no system to track that. So that system is Git. Now branches. Okay, this is very safe experimentation type. Now the most powerful concept is branches in Git. Think like this, your main project is a stable version. Now you want to add a feature instead of risking everything. Okay, so you create a branch. That branch is like a parallel universe for that project, and you add a feature in that universe, and once it working in that universe, you would merge it in your main universe like that. So in that new branch, if you break it, if you erase the entire code, your main branch is still alive and people are using that very safely. Okay, so creating branches and experimenting on that branch is very cool until you make up that feature entirely while parallelly keeping that original code very safe. So why Git is mandatory in jobs? I will tell you. Multiple developers work on same project. Okay, without Git it's impossible to work on single project. Everyone works on separate branches. You can also review the code, make any changes, and if the bugs come, you can roll back instantly. And the biggest advantage of using Git is peace of mind, because when something breaks, you just don't panic, you roll back. That's it. Because you know I can always go back, and that's the peace of mind. And here's the truth, Git doesn't make you a better coder, Git makes you a smarter developer. It saves your time, mental energy, frustration, debugging hours, and even team conflicts if you are working on a single project. And if you are still copying folders manually, please stop. I have been there. You don't need to suffer like that. In the next video, I will break down my Sonyverse project, what I built, mistakes I made, and what I had to do differently today. that one is going to be powerful. Thanks for watching, guys.